Welcome. If you've been wondering how to get those handy app icon badges for your Snapchat silent notifications, you're in the right place. These badges are little dots or numbers that appear on your Snapchat app icon, letting you know there's something new even if your phone doesn't make a sound or vibrate. Here's the updated way to enable them step by step. First, grab your phone and head to the Settings app. This is where you control all your app notifications. From Settings, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This will open a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its specific settings. Next, you'll see a Notifications option. Tap on that as well. This brings you to the Notification Management page, where you control different notification types and styles. Now, look for Notification Categories, and tap it. Among the categories you will see, focus on the one called General. Under General, find Silent Notifications and tap on it. Silent notifications are alerts that don't make a sound or show pop-ups, but you can still get notified visually. Here's the key step. You will see an option for App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this switch on. This allows Snapchat to show you those app icon badges whenever there are silent notifications waiting for you. Once toggled on, you're all set. Your phone will let you know about Snapchat alerts with those little badges, even when your notifications are on silent. It's a great way to stay updated discreetly and never miss out on those snaps or messages. That's it, quick and easy. Just remember, Settings Apps, Snapchat, Notifications, Notification Categories, General Silent Notifications, Enable App Icon Badges. Now you can enjoy silent but visible notifications on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.